Welcome to AB Judge.
AB Judge Styles.
This is AB Judge. Welcome to AB Judge. This is AB Judge. Welcome to AB Judge. 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 AB Judge.
Hi guys. So today's tutorial is going to be on this look. It's a wig. I didn't fix it up. Yeah. It's a wig you can wear. I call it all-purpose wig anyway. It's a wig you can wear anyhow you like. If you are the type that like changing your hairstyle every time like me, you can wear it as a center party. You can wear it as a side party. You can wear it as a fringe. You can wear it while your hair is gel up, like you can wear it as a ponytail. So if you want to know how I cut this look, keep on watching.
Black Wall Street from my heart. Shit, I got the edge.
So this is the weave-on I'll be using. It's called Miracle Coils. I use one pack of it. It's a very affordable hair, very soft. So first is to place down your wig cap and then sew down your weave-on ear to ear on top of your wig cap till you get to the top of your wig cap. Next is to sew the weave-on like so. Our light guys was through, like what I did was to make a C curve and then sew in weave-on to cover throughout.
Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine tits. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebika call everything walo kasa. Mwachiku kelo welu beauty ya bossa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifana wachiku jello one day your bulla mo melo. Your bulla kwa mo bello. No be ije mo jello. Hey, no be say me I do pass them. But it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chukwa loka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely, forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl, I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Baby, as I they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. You know, say, now it's important because my God, hey, I'm at the edge. go straight from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Yeah, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah.
Continue sewing down your weft until there is no space to be covered. So when you're done sewing down all your weave-on, next is to cut out the lace in the wig cap.
Of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Come my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be at the few it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine tits. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebiko call everything balokasa.
So after doing that, you sew down your wig comb to secure the weave-on on top of your hair.
No be say me I do pass them, but it be like say I'm blessed past them.
So here I'm trying to wear the hair as a center party.
I want you to be by my side, girl. I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, I'll always be here for you, baby. That is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, find me there. I say for better, for worse,
Next is to wear it as a side party.
I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, find me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, aside they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular.
Just another style you can wear with the same wig. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to my channel, like my video, share my video, and I'll sure see you guys in my next one.
Shit, I got the edge.